Hey guys, it's Carrie and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest. Her name is Clarissa and she's my daughter. Say hello.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good.
Anything special happen today?
Not really.
I got to see my granddaughter, my fur baby, Angel, and she's just causing a ruckus right now. I bought her a brand new toy. So today's reason for this video is for my April 2019 Allure Beauty Box. Would you like to see what's inside?
Yes.
Okay. How about you read this while I pull out the items? It's just, this is what it says on the box, the inside of the box. It says Allure Beauty Box, and it usually just says it. You can't really read it. Allure Beauty Box, there you go. And inside is a lottery ticket that I already scratched, and it just shows you what's on, what's going to be in the box next month. And then it comes with this clear bag that has all the items in it. So let's get started.
Okay, so on the front, they have a picture of CARLI BYBEL. I don't know if you can see. And it says, we asked CARLI BYBEL to help us pick the products for your April beauty box. And oh, maybe you've heard of her. The beauty vlogger has more than 6 million subscribers on YouTube. And it's easy to see why. BYBEL is a master of sexy, smoky eyes. So of course, she helped us stock your beauty box with some very cool, very sultry eye makeup essentials. You're getting one of the world's best eyeshadow brushes and a sparkling metallic shadow from Best of Beauty winning brand in our splurge category, Natasha Denona. There's also an eyeliner that's easy to smudge, so when you're feeling lazy, you can use it to sneakily create a smoke eye in seconds, plus a pale liquid lipstick, the classic smoky eye companion, and one of the most innovative self-tanners we've tried yet.
Okay, so what would you like me to pull out of the bag first?
Let's pull out the Anastasia Beverly Hills because that's what is on here first.
So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Pure Hollywood. Price.
Let me get it out of this box.
The price is $20.
This is the color. It's a very beautiful nude color. I know it's not picking up on my camera, but you can see it's a nude color.
Yeah, and it's like a nude pink.
A nude pink. That's a good one. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand.
It says in here it's a pale mauve that I layer over, mauve.
Can you see it on my wrist? Yeah, it's not a very good color in here, but that's that. It's a very beautiful light nude.
You can kind of see in the booklet, that's what color it is.
It's hard to see with our lighting, though. Is there anything it says?
The formula has one, not two, but 4 Allure Best of Beauty Awards.
Oh, that's great. Now, I love CARLI BYBEL. She's so adorable. We have both of her palettes, and they're amazing. I mean, I love the BH product. Is it BH or BC? BH. BC. The BC products. So we just love CARLI BYBEL. We follow her on YouTube. She's one of the reasons that I got started in doing YouTube in the first place. So what's our next product?
Next up is the Natasha Denona Mono Eyeshadow.
We got a Natasha Denona monochromatic eyeshadow. This is, how much is this? Just for a single?
Price $27.
$27 for this.
Just that.
Just a single eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Oh, man, this is gorgeous. What's the color called?
Sunset. Wait, no.
I can't read that. My sight is really bad.
Okay. Aubade? A-U-B-A-D-E.
I don't No, I'm gonna say it's from her Sunset palette.
Yeah.
This is a nice coppery color. It's a glittery coppery color. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that for you guys right here.
It's like beautiful flaky eyeshadow.
And that's this right here.
Or like a foil. It kind of reminds me of like a foil eyeshadow. But it's
sorry, that was my swatching capabilities. But you see it right here?
Yeah.
Right here.
Beautiful coppery color.
That is nice. I'm going to get so much use out of it, or I might give it to you. You're the one that's got the real daring colors on your eyes, not me. Okay, and what's next, baby?
About that.
That's my granddaughter, Angel.
She's very hyper right now.
She's great.
Okay, next up, Luxie 231 Small Tapered Blending Brush Rose Gold.
And I got that right here.
The price is $12.
I got that right here. Let me take it out of its package. That's it right there. I don't know if you can read the Luxie name on it. It's a little small blending brush. Just gets you really good over here in the, what do you call this area? The crease. Yeah, she knows more about makeup than I do. So, yeah, but very nice for the crease area. And this is a very beautiful brush. I don't have one of these from Luxie. I do have a lot of subscription boxes, so it does come in it, but I've never gotten this exact blending brush. So that's nice. What's next, baby?
Next up, Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. Sale price is $22.
Oh, no, that showed up good. And I believe it's a blue color. It looks like a blue color. Look at the band on there.
Oh, yeah. Because this one is brown.
I thought it was black, but this looks like a blue color. It could be a
charcoal color. Or purple.
It is it's a purple color.
Huh. Like a plum?
It's like a plum color. That is very nice. And you know what's going to go really good in your waterline? You can put it in your waterline, and it'll go really good with that Natasha Denona eyeshadow.
Ooh, that'd be beautiful.
So what's next, baby?
Okay. Next up, Vita Liberata Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloths.
Say cloths.
Cloth. Sorry, I have a list. Cloth.
And they came out of this package right here.
And the price is $25 for a pack of 8 and $39 for a pack of 16.
And you got a pack of 2 in here. And these are really nice that you can put on your face. You can put them on your face. Let me get this up in the camera so you can see it really quick. Can you see that? So there's a 2-pack, and you can put them on your face, you know, on your neck, your décolleté area. You can put it on your arms, and you have a 2-pack. And these are very thick, and they're very heavy. So this would be very nice to give it a try. I'm a white girl, so I can use it.
You want me to read what she said?
Sure. She's going to go ahead and read what it says.
So it said 2 were enough to easily cover my entire body, and 4 hours later I had a very natural looking and smelling glow. And this is Madison Theobald, social media manager.
So I definitely, I'm going to give Clarissa one, and I'm going to do one, and I think we should definitely give them a try. So that's a good thing. Okay, and what's the last thing?
The last but not least, Briogeo.
Yeah. Sorry
if I'm pronouncing it wrong.
It's Briogeo or Briogeo.
Briogeo. Oh, that sounds more sophisticated.
We sound so schooled.
Briogeo. Is that how you said it?
I don't know. Briogeo.
Farewell Frizz.
Briogeo.
Briogeo. Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream.
Sorry about that.
Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. And the price of this is $24.
I'm going to smell it because their products smell very floral and they smell very good. So, it's got a safety seal.
It has no
Abadabs.
harsh,
Safety seal, safety seal.
it has no harsh sulfates, silicones, or parabens.
Smell this.
Oh my gosh.
It's like a floral.
It's a very pretty floral. Like, it's barely there, but it's
like I'm
very
gonna give
pretty.
that to you because like I use flat iron and I use oil for my hair, but she's the one that blow dries her hair.
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna give this to you. So here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So guys, I got to tell you a little bit of a story. We just got a kitten. She's very frisky and she's a little turd, I'm telling you.
She's so
she
has attitude.
She's so tiny. I mean, for 2.5 weeks, actually, she's pretty big for 2.5 weeks because we feed her all the time. She's like the size of a 3-month-old. But yeah, comment down below and just let me know, for one, how your day went and how everything's going for you. And also just let me know anything that you can tell me about a new kitten because I just don't know. I've gotten my kittens a lot older for the Humane Society. I've rescued all my cats. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful evening and God bless you.
Bye.